some of our customers. This time, passenger train was late and I lost one of the panel member, number 5. So I will introduce members of the Trade Issues panel. I will start with Isabel Van Doorn. Isabel is policy officer at the European Commission, DG Move.
With my customers, I very often heard, I don't want to know where the shipment is if you are on time. The only thing I want to know is that I could calculate with the arrival of my shipment and put it in my factory or put it in my storage and so on. Therefore, the tracking and tracing is very important. The train capacity booking, as a consequence, is to be very economic. To have trained and to book, and at the end to say, I don't could accept the last shipment. So this is a question of economic or not of customer orientation, in opposite to what we have discussed in the first panel, the passenger panel. I promised in the contract it is helpful to operate single wagons. And therefore, if I see this function, and I'm sure that I could add some additional function, an IT-steered single wagon world is able to compete with other modes, but it needs as well investments and organizational basis to operate single wagon loads very successfully.
Well, thank you. Sometimes it helps to look what the competition has. I mean, what does the road do? And then we can see that they are very simple and they are able to do many functions using just mobile. Where we need a very complex applications, they need their own mobile and they can do more of the same. If you look on complete trains, then again it's very easy. Very easy business, and some of them they are low cost railway undertakings. With only some drivers, and again very limited or no IT. Back to the question of profitability. Do we think, for example, if we provide all those services to the customers, that then we could, for example, increase the prices, saying that we provide better service?
I think nobody is able to answer. We are not the financial directors of the companies. But I think to provide better service by IT on one hand, and as I tried to explain, a lot of these IT applications are as well providing, they are used to do a better service, to be more in time. Good set of solutions to enable single wagon loads and participating RU to deliver better service and to be more economic in the
and the costs, as the volumes go down across the wagon, tend to go up. As Rainer said, that getting rid of the paper, providing guaranteed service in electronic way will possibly keep what we have for those that are dedicated to that. It would help if there was an environmental business case and that was understood and supported in some way, because really what is the cost of a single wagon load and the aggregation compared to multiple lorries? And the final bit of it is how do we move single wagon load from the present volumes to grow it? Because if you can give the customer good service, the chances are you'll move more and more traffic with it.
Taking initiative is not forbidden. And well, we have not said that a small railway undertaking have to build expensive IT system. It is not written in TAF. And I know that the Common Component Group is working on licensing and on calculating the fee for using the common interface. And the goal of all this exercise is to make it fair, so the price to be fair for everybody. That's the first element. A second element is that we do not see on the market, or at least I am not aware, but maybe I am wrong, interoperability of railway world is some of you may know that, it's for this, the agency, ERA, was tasked to prepare a standardized. So why this idea is not implemented for TAF I don't say that it should be done by ERA, but maybe a body or several body could prepare a software and